In this video, we're going to talk about how to change your default display on the ATV212 drive to show you something else other than output frequency. So normally output frequencies are default. There is 10 different things you can program them to. Normally the most common ones that you may want to change it to is motor current, drive rated current, thermal state, so on and so forth. If you want to see all the options, the FAQ that this video is part of, we'll have those written out for you. But for our purposes, let's just go and see how to achieve that in the first place and change it from a default state of output frequency. So from the main menu, go ahead and press the mode key, arrow down to F as in Frank, dash dash dash, enter. And then you want to arrow down from here and find the parameter 710. That is the parameter that will allow you to change your default display settings. Okay, so 710 first of all is default, which is a 0. This is default right here, which is the output frequency. So if you want to say, let's just say for our purposes here, we're going to make it motor current, which is number 2. You press enter on that setting you want to change it to, and it will blink and go back to 710 for you. So that's basically it. So you now have changed the drive to show you the motor current as your default display. So now you can mode out to your main display, and now we can press run, and we can, so right now we're in local mode, so we can ramp it up to whatever we want, and once it's done, ramp that point. Now you'll notice that the numbers are flashing. That's actually a current value now, not an actual speed, but current. So that's basically how you change the display of the 212 to show a value other than motor frequency.